Hi students, today we are going to discuss about land and oceans, which is in the 6th standard social science term 1 lesson 2 in geography part. Okay, we have already discussed about the planets, the solar systems, universe, galaxies, everything. And today we are going to discuss about a special living planet, that is Earth. The Earth's surface, land and oceans. 71% of water covered the Earth. Remaining 29% full of land masses. Okay, we can discuss about this crust area. This is the outer layer. Okay students, in the last class we have discussed about the classification of the landforms. The first order, continents and oceans. But now we are going to see the second order. It is mountains, plateaus, plains. Mountains, plateaus, plains. So, the second order is mountains, plateaus and plains. Second order landforms: mountains, plateaus, plains. Mountains, the landforms that rises 6 meters above its surroundings and has steep slopes is called mountains. Mountains are found in isolation or in groups. If the mountains extends for a larger area continuously, it is called a mountain range. Mountains, a landform that rises 6 meters above its surrounding and has steep slopes is called mountain. And these mountains are found in isolation or in groups. If the mountains extends for a longer area continuously, it is called a mountain range. These ranges are called stretch for hundreds or thousands. These ranges stretches of hundreds or thousands of kilometers. The Himalaya of Asia, the Rocky Mountains of the North America, and the Athens of South America are such examples. The Athens mountain in South America is the longest mountain range, 7,000 kilometers in the world. The highest point of a mountain is known as the peak. Mount Everest is the highest peak, 8,848 meters. 8,848 meters in the world. This is the highest peak in the world. This is in Himalayas. Mountains are the sources of rivers. They provide a shelter to flora and fauna. Here, tourism is an important activity. During summer, people go to mountain regions to enjoy the pleasing cool weather. Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Yerkadu and Yelagiri are some of the hill stations found in Tamil Nadu. Plateaus. Plateaus are the elevated portion of the earth that have flat surface bounded by the steep slopes. The elevation of plateaus may be a few hundreds or several thousands meters. The Pythian Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. So, it is called as the roof of the world. The flat-topped part of the plateau is called tableland. The plateaus are generally rich in minerals. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is one of the mineral-rich plateaus in India. Therefore, mining is one of the major activity of the people living here. The Deccan Plateau in peninsular India is of volcanic origin. Do you know? In Tamil Nadu, Dharmaburi Plateau, Madurai Plateau and Coimbatore Plateau. These are the plateau regions in Tamil Nadu. Plains. Plains are flat and relatively low-lying lands. Yes, because of mountain is the highest place and plateau is the somewhat height and the plains is flat area. Okay. Here, plains are usually less than 200 meters above the sea level. 200 meters above the sea level. Sometimes they may be rolling or undulating. Most plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. These plains are used extensively for agriculture due to the availability of water and fertile soil. And one more information, the plains have been the cradle of civilization from the earliest time. For example, the Indus in India, Indus Valley civilizations, the Nile Valley in Egypt are some of the early civilizations which developed and flourished in the plains along with the river bank. So the plains are flat and relatively low. The plains are most suitable for human inhabitation. Hence, they are the highly populated regions of the world. The oldest civilizations like the Mesopotamian and the Indus civilizations developed in the river plains. The Indo-Gangetic plain in North India is one of the largest plains in the world. The plains formed by river Kaveri and Vaigai are important plains found in Tamil Nadu. Coastal plains are the low-lying lands. The third order land forms valley, sand dunes, beaches. Valley, sand dunes, beaches. Valley is nothing but two mountains, between the areas some floatings. This is called valley. And the important things, the third order landforms are formed on the mountains, plateaus and plains, mainly by erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, wind and waves. Valley, beaches and sand dunes are some examples of the third landforms. Classification of landforms. There are three orders: first order, second order, third order. First order is continents and oceans. The second order, mountains, plateaus, plains. And a third order, valley, sand dunes, beaches. Valley, sand dunes, beaches. So these are the landforms, the classification of landforms.